Welcome back, folks. This week you'll be working on Learning Unit 9, which takes you into an exploration of pictorialism, an artistic photographic style that emerged in the 1890s in Europe and in the United States in response to the popularity of Kodak and the rise of amateur photographers that were sprouting up everywhere. In this unit, you'll be introduced to Alfred Stieglitz, a photographer who played a very pivotal role in the advancement of photography as an art form in the United States, as well as the development of modernist photography. Stieglitz will be included in next week's Unit 2 when you'll consider his later work and photographic accomplishments. He's a really important figure in the history of photography. This week you will participate in a VoiceThread activity that's very different from your past VoiceThread activities. So be sure to take time and read the instructions before you jump in. Actually, take a look at that activity first. Let me take a moment to explain how it's different so you aren't surprised. In previous weeks, I've shared a VoiceThread with you that I've given you view and commenting privileges to. That means you could see them and you could comment on them. This week, you've been given editing privileges to our VoiceThread as well. With editing privileges, you have the ability to also add your own slide to the VoiceThread. So here's how this activity is going to work. Each of you will sign up for a topic on a sign-up list that I've created for your group. Then you'll spend time researching that topic that you've signed up for. Each of you will also identify a specific online image that will correspond with your topic based upon the criteria that's on that sign-up sheet. So be sure that you read it, and I also recommend that you save that piece of the topic that you signed up for later reference. You can copy and paste it into a document, for example. Then, after you've got the research done and you've got your image identified, you'll summarize your ideas in your own words. Remember, using direct phrases and sentences from your sources is plagiarism, and that will result in a 0 in any activity in this class. After you have it summarized, you will edit the VoiceThread. So you're going to go out to VoiceThread then and get ready to edit it, and I have instructions in the unit so you'll know exactly what to do. Editing the VoiceThread involves opening it up and adding your own slide to the VoiceThread. Your slide will contain two things: the online image illustrating your topic and your voice or video comments. This week, everyone will leave voice or video comments, so we're going to hear from everyone this week. So plan for that accordingly. I hope you enjoyed this collaborative activity. Let me know how it goes on your end. And remember that I'm here for you if you have questions along the way. It's always a good idea to get started early, especially when we're doing something different, so plan for that. You will also write a reflective blog post this week that explores your personal learning journey in our class. Believe it or not, we're halfway through the semester. I know it's going crazy fast. So this post will be a reflection of your midpoint reflections. Reflecting on your learning is a really important part of developing basically your learning growth. The scientific word for this is metacognition, for any of you who might be interested. And I look forward to reading your thoughts and gathering your feedback about the class overall. Speaking of those blogs, the Midpoint Blogging period will occur next week. More details are included in this unit. Be sure to review the PDF that I've shared with you and let me know what questions you have. Also included in this unit is another link to Step 1 of your Photographer Showcase, which is due this Monday. For those of you who've already completed Step 1, feel free to get started with coordinating your interview and reading all the details included in Step 2 of the Photographer Showcase website. To access that site, just click on the gray Photographer Showcase button in the left navigation menu in Blackboard. That's all, folks. Have a great week.